Hello, my name is Yash, and this is our website System Sketch. So this website contains few simulations. Here, a user can build its own microservice architecture from scratch, and also can see what a system does to fix itself whenever a failure occurs. And we also try to show it in a very unique and visually appealing way. Okay. So without further delay, let's start. So let me just log in first. Uh, I created a demo email for it. Okay, so let's start with the design page. Here you can see a carousel. Here you can read it and how each component is working. Okay, so you can see load balancer, API gateway, app servers. Okay, so you can read it. So this is a canvas. You can add some nodes like app server, load balancer, and you can also create it. You can also connect it. Okay. So I won't take much time. I will just use the default template. You can also choose another template also. So let's run it. And also make sure it is on if you want to see the whole system collapse feature and how it's working. Okay, so currently it's working fine because the RPS is just 500. RPS means request per second on the server. Okay, so let's just increase it to 20,000. So you can see the system get heavily loaded. So now it's automatically trying to fight itself. So it's trying to fix itself by horizontally and vertically scaling up. So you can see there are some servers got added, and you can see version 3, which means vertically scaled up, and you can see the replicate database as well. So it's a unique way of trying to scale up and fixing the system collapse. So you can also save the architecture demo. Okay, so you can and load it. Okay, these are some of my previous architectures. Now let's move on to the next page, security. So these are the next carousel. You can read it if you want. Okay, so make sure that this AI auto defense is on. Okay, so here you can see these are canvas and these are some nodes. So now let's see what happens. So this page was mainly focused to help the users understand how D2S attack works, how hacking works behind the scenes, how the hackers think, and these are some of the configuration you can see in the left sidebar. So let's wait and watch what happens in this. Okay, so you can see when the system get crashed, it automatically fix itself, and you can see the patch. Okay, so you can also choose some of the features from this, like SQL injection. You can see the database got offline. Okay, so a user can play with it if you want. You can also see from defense perspective as well. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page, automation. So let's skip it. So this is the AI automation page. So you can see the canvas. Let me just unzoom it a bit. You can also choose some default templates. Okay, so if you want to see the system collapse feature in this as well, then make sure this mode is turned on. We made this more just for the user so that he can both experience system collapse feature, or but if he really wants to manually do it, then he can just turn off. Okay, so but just for the hackathon theme we are enabling it. Okay, so this is our AI agent workflow. So let me just run it. So we made the chaos enable, so it automatically getting some errors, but you can see it didn't give us any error. It automatically fixed itself. So whenever a collapse occurs, what the LLM model on the workflow does is it runs a fixing query behind the scenes and reruns the whole workflow and give the user a desired output. So this is a very good relation with the hackathon theme, system collapse, and how the system works and fight back against it in a unique way. Okay, so these are the three pages and the three simulations you can say. We also added a AI chatbot. It is working with, like Gemini 2.5 Flash model. So let me just ask, what is a load balancer for example? Okay, so it gives you the desired output. So you can ask anything if you want. If you have any doubt what the component does here, how the node's working, okay? And you can save it here as well, and you can load it, any workflow you want to load. So this is our website, System Sketch. I hope you like it. We really tried to uh, make a correlation between these the hackathon theme, System Collapse, and how it tries to do something different when the collapse occurs. Okay, so thank you.